Hey there guys, I'm Jack Barnwell of Barnwell Landscape and Garden, C3 Gardens, and the creator of Aquapots. I'm a landscape architect and landscape contractor, and I get it that all of our clients are looking for something really spectacular, and we want to set ourselves apart within our own market to have a product that nobody else has. I created Aquapots so we could deliver just that. A lot of our clients are looking for beautiful planters on their patios and lanais, but they want them to be super clean, low maintenance, gorgeous, lush looks. And for a long time, that was sort of something that we as landscapers shied away from because it's hard to work that into our maintenance programs when we're only able to go to a property once a week or once every other week. With Aquapots, these guys last a week, 2 weeks, even a month between waterings. And we've got beautiful high-end pottery that's now integrated with this self-watering system. So we partnered up with Carr Designs, who makes the most stunning ceramics in the world. A lot of different styles, shapes, sizes, finishes are available. And even though this is only our first year of launching with Aquapots, we have a whole Pro Series and Home Series to have a big diversity in pots that are available. How they work. Every Aquapot comes with this insert. All these components are made and manufactured in Vietnam with the pots. So every pot comes with this beautiful heavy-duty insert. They're really easy to put together. No screws, no glues, no nothing like that. This disc, soil tube, and fill tube are what separate the soil and the water reservoir. So every pot holds a tremendous amount of fertilizer-infused water to slowly wick up and feed those plants 24/7. Every Aquapot comes sealed completely. There's no more drainage in the bottom. The drainage hole is right up below the rim. That custom rim right inside the pot is at a certain level so that the soil to water volume ratio works and everything wicks perfectly with our soil siphon system. Once you put the disc in, it sits tightly right on that rim. Fill this baby up with soil, packing a little soil into that soil tube, fill it up, plant it up, and fill up the tank just like you're filling up the tank of your truck. It's that simple. Every time we plant up and do an Aquapot up, we put in a couple scoops of slow release fertilizer right into the tank, fill it up with water, and that slow release fertilizer will actually release underwater, and the water reservoir will become this fertilizer infused water that will be wicking up to those plants, and the plants can sense that, and the roots go nuts and grow down deep and go after it. The end of the season, after that planter is huge and lush and gorgeous and it's had its time, we go to gut them out, and it's usually just a solid cube of soil because the roots are so vigorous and healthy. Comes right out clean. We take the components right out, clean them all out, rinse the pot out, either store it away for the winter, or if in southern climates, we put everything back in, fresh soil, fresh plants, and it's ready to go. I highly recommend you guys give these a try, design them into a few projects, let me know what you think. Your clients are gonna be thrilled with the results. Contact your BFG Supply sales rep today. They can set you up with a pallet, 2 pallets, as many as you need. Get your Aquapots coming for this upcoming season. They are the exclusive distributor of Aquapots, but they also can set you up with soils, fertilizers, mulches, all kinds of stuff to get your spring kicked off right. Let me know what you think.